Hey, what's up, talented teachers around the world? Welcome to Be Creative Teacher, the planet of inspiration and creativity. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos. As I promised, I will be presenting a series of material design tutorials, with God's will, of course, for teachers, because our biggest concern when preparing a lesson plan is the use of the appropriate materials. So we tend to search on the internet or elsewhere to find these materials, but most of the time we find that these materials are not really suitable for our objectives. That's why I will share my humble experience with you so that you can get an idea about how to design your own materials. And of course, as you can see, we are going to start with these beautiful cards. Here you go. We will learn today how to prepare these beautiful cards. So let's jump into our PowerPoint. So here we go. This is our PowerPoint slide. If you want to change the size, you can just go to design. Then simply you go to the slide size, click on it. Then you go to custom size, slide size, get inside. For example, I'm going to use 7 inches by 9. You're free to use the size that you want. Ensure the fit, and here we go. Of course, you need to take these off, and this is our slide. Now I'm going to prepare 4 cards. First of all, I am going to insert, then I go to shapes. Of course, you've got plenty of shapes. You have the choice. For example, I choose this and I use the size that I want. Now if you want to work on this shape, if you want to change the shape outline or the shape fill, here we go. We go to format, then you come to shape fill. For example, I will use this light blue, and then you go to the shape outline, for example, maybe this blue. Now I like the outline to be thicker, so I go home, then go to the shape outline, the weight, and here we go. You've got the weight. Now we need to insert the character that we're working on. We go to insert, picture, and we choose one of these aliens. Since my card is blue, I can use this one. Take it and put it here. You can put it in the middle or any place that you want. Now we go to insert, a text box to write our text inside. The first question to introduce oneself or to ask about is, what's your name? So we write it here. Now we have to work on the font, the size. So we choose a font. I like bubbly fonts, and you know that kids love this. Then you choose the size, maybe 54. The color, if you want, I will make it blue so that, and in the middle, centralize. Here we go. This one does not work, so I change this into this. And here we go. We've got our first card. Now, if you want to duplicate it, simply Control A, then Control C, Control V. And here we go. You've got another similar card. You place it here. You can take off this one, and then you change the color. For example, I'm going to make it red. You go to format, and then you go to the shape outline, red, shape fill, maybe this color, and of course the color of this has to be red. Go home, red. The second question is, how old are you? How old are you? All right, here we go. How old are you? Now we need to insert another character. I like it to be red so that they match together. You know that kids love these characters, aliens, monsters, any character that you want to insert will be of great use. Here we go. This is the second card, and we will do the rest of the cards. As you can see, I have finished working on the 4 cards. We've got blue, red, pink, and green. They are very beautiful and adorable. Now we have to work on the answers. So we go to a new slide, and we will follow the same steps. For example, insert a shape. Now I'm going to choose an oval shape, like that. We go to format. We change the color, the shape color, outline color, the shape fill. For example, we started with the blue one, so we use the same blue one. Then the inside, we go to home, shape outline, and we work on this. Insert the picture. I'd like to use the same in order to give learners hints. So, and of course, I will finish the rest of these cards and we'll be back. And that's it. Look at these beautiful answer cards. Of course, you're free to use any shapes, any colors, any characters that you want. And concerning the fonts and the characters, I will be sharing how to get them in the next videos with God's will. Now, if you want to prepare a lined paper for your learners to write on, simply go to insert, of course, as usual, shape, a normal one, like that. You go to format, and then you choose the size, the color, the fill, etc. Like it to be a normal one, like that. Now you go to insert table, and you go to insert a table, of course, 1 column, and I would choose 20 lines. Now, since you're here, you just centralize. Now go to shading, choose no fill, and then go to borders and choose inside horizontal. And here we go, you've got your paper ready. You can decorate it, you can change the colors, do whatever you want with it. Thank you for watching, and I will be leaving the links to your free versions in the description box. If you have any requests, any materials that you want me to work for you, just leave them.